What's going on, guys? Jeff from BackyardWaterGarden.com coming at you with another quick product review. And today we will be reviewing the Stark Dirty Water Pump. Now, if you don't have a pump, I highly recommend you get one. Not just if you have a pond, but for anyone who's a homeowner. You never know when your basement's going to flood out. You know, if you have a pool or something like that, you need to pump the cover off. This thing works awesome. It's a dirty water pump, which means it can pass small pebbles and debris right through it. It comes with a 25-foot cord, so you don't have to have power right next to where you need to use it. The only downside to this thing is this float. Now, it's made to replace your sump pump. So in your house, if your basement floods, you can pop this right into where your sump pump is, and it will act just like your sump pump. When the water level drops, it kicks on. So if you want to drain something completely, like the pond, let's say, you would need to prop this thing up so that it would continue to run. This is what I do when my skimmer box stops working, because the water level has gone above where it works and gets all this crud off the top here. So that's what I'm doing. Just want to take it down just below the opening so that it can clean the top of the pond. I'm kind of anal about things, so that's what I do. This little pump here, it's been awesome. It's pretty cheap. I'll have a link in the description below if you want to pick one up. And just helps with the pond maintenance. This pump will pump over 2,000 gallons per hour, which makes short work of a pool cover or even emptying your pond out for the season when you need to do seasonal maintenance like spring cleaning or fall cleaning. It's got a 1/2 horsepower motor, so you got plenty of power also. And the price is right. So I highly recommend this product. Go out, get yourself one if you don't have one already, because something like this, you never know you need it until you need it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this review. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and until next time, enjoy your backyard water garden.